My brothers and my sisters on our road, this is a beautiful sister, Laminato Sanka, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminato Nakabon copy, Yama Blassa, Awana, Wupe Wumiando Fule, now Yama Blassa, Wundi Wului Laminato Sankolo. Go walo ha kovingi yepe wupele wugama, Corneli Daile Vui, a video assessiahu. My brothers and my sisters, they wanna feel free to share this video. My brothers and my sisters, we all hear about this coronavirus where they go on. This thing don't kill so many people. We all know about this virus. At the big one in the name of God. My brothers and my sisters, if anybody, go na Africa, Salon, to be precise. Anybody we're gonna salon go tell you say they don't discover the vaccine for coronavirus. Una tell the person say Laminato Sanko say he can't kill the people. That particular person they can't kill the people. Na lie. America when a super world power. They're not able to come up yet with that vaccine day. Na salon they no go come up with that vaccine day while we want it. Something is wrong somewhere. Nyama blassa. Bukwa umiando fulemu. Da levu ingol apengo over. Numubile ili ume. Ye walo kwa imakleti uwe. Ewu bo coronavirus jifa. Waumbu. Kebe numune inde coronavirus fa. Indele yengu walo le vaccine makleti jimufe male uwe. Awa ukwe wa ulo umakleti umbu wapi. Upenga numubia bi umbuga bi ha bi ekpe mebe kokwe bi ekpe bifa keto ulenga sajiti e malema ko ga webu andetima ke konele daile nubileli yetu wa makleti love matwe taumbu enketo nyande wewe wuli ulenga ajiasa tuskui hu wunde utichiche samake ta vaccine bi ve ulenga we makleti bi ta fe ulenga we. Me people, at the big one in the name of God. This maculates where they say they don't make na salon for coronavirus. Una not take them. If una take them, una they die. If una take them, una they die. Una take them, una they die. Una get this word for me, yeah? While who said they pull this vaccine? We were the American also they struggle with this disease. Vaccine no commodity na. Salon na they say they don't get the vaccine for coronavirus. Anybody go meet una say can give una makleti wangi una injection. Una not take am. If una take am una they die. Una take am una they die. Una take am una they die. Una not try am at the beg una in the name of God. Wait till una need that country right now una prayers. Prayers. May this virus make you know richly. Abo. We then also with the battle with this coronavirus. While we're now, they say maklets don't come out, vaccine don't come out in a salon for coronavirus. Since when? Since when? Me people and we are beg at the beguna in the name of God. If doctly you get you one small cup rest, you put you pepper there, Maggie and pamine, eat and suffulence, you don't drink water, yeah? That vaccine day, una tell una picking there, when they go na school safe. Anybody say they go for go give them maculates, may they not take them. And when I need for go na picking in school there, and tell the teachers and say, or no account when I picking in for kana also and say, teacher then give me vaccine, no then go to school, when they go give me maculates. And when I want picking them we young. My brothers and my sisters, they won't we get picking the way in a nursery school. Class 1. There's small picking in it. They not get better sense, but then they talk. They know where somebody go choke them. Una tell una picking, una pin them down, una not allow. Una go down to the young level and talk to them. Say, look here. Me picking Laminato. If anybody go to school, or even you teach yourself safe, he come and say, come, I need for can give you maculates. Or then people here, they don't come and wait people them. They don't come for can give you maculates. Can't snap na lame then give you maculates. Say no. Say me mama say, I cannot take maculates. I dey beg una in the name of God. So una dey school picking the ya. You where they look me now, you are the talk to. If they go na you school, they want go give you maclate, they want go give you injection, they want go choke you. They say for this coronavirus, not take her. Now kill the one kill una. You go die. Because who side them pull this coronavirus vaccine? Anyone for Sabi? While we vaccine don't come out for corona. America when a super world power. We no get the vaccine. Now free turn they go get the vaccines alone. I want to know the origin of this vaccine. I want to know. I want to see and koro with me. I hope say na lie then they lie you. I hope say not so true then they talk. For say they don't pull vaccine. Because if they say that they don't pull vaccine, my brothers and my sisters, then a lie. You allow them and give you that vaccine, they don't maclate, you go die. You go die. Pass if you don't ready for go see your ancestors. Then. You great granny and grandpa. Then you go see them and go choke you. Men go give you maclates. Yes. Nyama blasa konel every day a pay every time go over. Maclate giti de bahi uma salon teti wala. Coronavirus jiva. Wa umbu konele a pay every go over. Wambumbu klobeva wambumbu. Nubile i u mekebe pumwile i lobi glo. Wa mbape. Jifa se Publa na pele ti luki sataye hu. Kon kangatiyoma titi wuma go, tito ina haina, ina ayengi of winungana. So wame anati mana, tiba wuyo wote mana, angle. Tiba wuboma abele angle na. Yes, the one go use the vaccine power na for se una na dogre. The one make trial, the one test them. And the no no say for test and pass per month man. Pass Sierra Leoneans. Lamina to Sanko. I am a born Sierra Leonean. A good citizen of that country. And they come out and warn me people then because what you do, I love Salone. I love the nation. I love Mama Salone. Because what you do, the hand and they are born, and they are men, and they are it's dirty. Yes. So I'm not going to allow me anything go wrong with my own fellow citizens of that country. Small picking and they were vulnerable. When they are nursery school, when they class 1. We not talk to them picking and they. Men nobody no go give them a clates and take her. Because I test them, I go test. But then picking and they. If you allow them give you picking them a clates, it go die. God forbid now you and the big one, you go kidnap. You give you hand, then give them a clates, you give you waist or any part of your body. You allow them and trick you with that needle day. I wear you London. You go see your ancestors then. You great granny and grandpa then you go see them. It means you're not ready for go see them. So at the beg una in the name of God, una not take that vaccine there, yeah? That vaccine they not so better vaccine, a killer vaccine, una go die if una allow them give una that particular vaccine there. Where they say don't come out na salon. America no pull a vaccine there. Na salon no be no go pull a vaccine there. That one in a killer vaccine. Una not allow them to give una that vaccine there. Una not agree at all. Una not agree. And do ya at the beg to all the government people them at the beg. Papa presidents, the first lady, at the beg una in the name of God. Whosoever we want for that vaccine day, for can try and power citizen them. President Julius Madabio, Colonel every day Lenyandi Bape. Me brother do and beg at the beg, you not allow me nobody give that vaccine day. So you citizen them. At the beg. This na you young government na ndio. This na under you young regime so now. We Mama Fatima Dio not allow me nobody go get that vaccine there to anybody in a salon. I beg. If that vaccine when they say so it don't come out. If not true, do you beg una bana? Una not allow me to get that vaccine there to nobody in that country. Because that vaccine is a killer vaccine. If anything happens to the people in there, President Julius Madabio, trust me, this why I so. Now you young government in there. Now you then go all responsible. Every me not to Sanko. I go talk and say, hey, me brother, that vaccine they enter that country. You want to me say you don't get no clue? So now I let the cat out of the bag. Please, me brother, President Julius Madabio. That vaccine they ban ya. Me they not give no per you citizen there. Because if you allow me to give to you citizen there, trust me, they go die. And if you're happy with them, it means you are there inside. So Bana wants to not allow that vaccine day. I beg you in the name of God. My brothers and my sisters, I want to feel free to share this video. That vaccine is a fake vaccine and can't kill people there. When I tata for that, I love you guys.